library?
In the final exam, maybe every day, I think.
Do you always bring your lunch from home?
Yes, in this period, I think maybe 4 or 5 times yearly.
Did you take long to have your turn at the microwave?
Maybe as usual, I think it just takes me 4 or 5 minutes, but in the final exam, it's a long queue, so it takes maybe 40 or 15 minutes.
Yeah, same with me. I waited for 40 minutes.
Yes, it's very long.
Waste of time that could be used to
Yeah.
study, eh?
Yeah.
This lunchbox heats food with a detachable microwave generating module. This module is powered by a battery in it, and it is able to heat the food or doing simple cooking whenever needed. Microwave module can heat food fast, and when you carry the food don't need to be heated. This module can be detached and you can carry the lunchbox on it. In the meantime, this microwave module also integrates a sensor to prevent overheating. This lunchbox only retails $55. Buy it right now.